Let's say I want to create something for LinkedIn. And let's say I want to create something about a live webinar about how to use uh, uh, copy generator tools, or actually, I mean AI copy generator tools. And it's a webinar for marketers who want to improve their content creation process, right? And take into account. Um, let's make that actually a little bit clearer for the AI. Webinar for marketers want webinar for marketers. No, I think it's actually a good way to say it. Let's say that. And let's say I want to write it in a witty style. So I put in my input. I've selected a writing style. Now I'm going to say inspire me. And what you'll see in the left-hand side is that the engine is starting to think right now. And it's talking to the OpenAI API, and it's getting back with 3 nice outputs here. Get creative with modern technology, says the first one. Join us for an exclusive webinar to learn how AI copy generator tools, yada, yada, yada. Ready to take your content creation process up a notch? So you see, these are all pretty, decent sounding social captions that we very well could have used to promote this webinar that you're watching right now. And I think it's really cool that in a couple of seconds I have a couple of options, but if I don't like them, I just click inspire me again. And within a few seconds, once again, the AI is going to think, going to talk to OpenAI, and come back with 3 other options. And I can keep doing this over and over again, especially since I have the unlimited account. So that's how the social caption generator works. And that's how you can see that we're trying to help you think about your input here, think about how to engineer your prompt. But also, as you might have noticed, the prompt engineering is done slightly for you here, because we're selecting a platform, we're selecting a type of content before we go in. And in the input box, we're also asking you to think about what is the info about our company, what is the info about our prospect that we know, what is their problem, what is their pain, and what is the solution that we're offering, etc., and so on. So this is how we try to help you think about the content you're trying to create strategically before you give us input.